Okay, we're still doing experiment 28. All I've done is switch out the resistor 5.6 k ohms, and we're using 1,000 microfarads still. So the time constant should be about 5.6. So at about 6 seconds, we should be around 1.9 volts. That's 63% of 3.03 volts. So I'll flip it on as we get to 1720. Go. All right. So at 6 seconds, it should be about 1.9. 1.79 is what I read. And we'll just watch it go from there. You can see it's much faster. Using a smaller resistor, it's much faster. We'll let it go for about 2 minutes. See what it gets up to, and then we'll just do the same discharge from whatever the it's going to be a new V0. It'll be whatever it gets up to, 2.8 or something like that. We'll start that instead of the 3.03. We'll start at whatever value it is. When it gets up to 1722, we'll flip the switch at 1722. We're in that flat part of the charge curve, so it's going very, very slowly. It may not even make it up to 2.8, but whatever the value is, we'll start from there, and you'll see the discharge. 15 more seconds. Flip it up at 1722. Up. It was 2.77. It looked like when it started. So that's your new V0. Again, this is 56 kilo ohms and 1,000 microfarad. It discharged pretty quickly. It's already, I'm only going to let it go a minute, and let's see how that works out. It'll probably still be 0.1 at a minute. Oh,